Demonstrative adjectives are special words that point to specific things. They tell us if something is near or far from us, and if it is one thing or many things. The four main demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. These words always come before a noun to describe exactly which one we mean. This and these are used for things that are near us. This is for one thing close by, and these is for many things close by. That and those are used for things that are far away. That is for one thing far away, and those is for many things far away. Near things use this and these. Far things use that and those. Here are real examples. This pen belongs to me. The pen is close to the speaker. That restaurant serves the best pasta. The restaurant is far away. These flowers are blooming beautifully. The flowers are near and there are many. Those children are playing in the park. The children are far away and plural. Notice how each adjective matches the distance and number. The rules are simple. For things near the speaker, use this with one noun like this book. Use these with many nouns like these books. For things far from the speaker, use that with one noun like that car. Use those with many nouns like those cars. Always match the adjective to both distance and number. Now practice choosing the right word. For near items, fill in the blank before pen is mine. It should be this because the pen is singular and close. These books are heavy. These because books are plural and near. These cookies smell great. Cookies are plural and close by. For far items, look at that mountain. That because mountain is singular and far. Those birds are flying high. Those because birds are plural and distant. And that chair over there. That matches singular and far. Here are the correct answers. Near items are this pen is mine. These books are heavy. These cookies smell great. Far items are look at that mountain. Those birds are flying high. That chair over there. Each answer matches both the distance from the speaker and whether the noun is singular or plural. Distance matters most. Near means close to you, like this phone in your hand or these keys in your pocket. Far means distant, like that house across the street or those trees far away. Distance can be physical space or even time. This week is near in time. That summer was far in the past. Always think about how close or far the thing is from you right now. Here is your complete reference. This is near singular. These is near plural. That is far singular. Those is far plural. Remember this simple pattern and you will always choose correctly. Practice pointing to things near and far while saying these words.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.